Hi, this is a bit of a sort of ranty video. I use this accounting software called Akaunting, and it's really quite good. It's all web-based and it's self-hosted, or at least in my case it's self-hosted. So that means I just keep all of the data on my server. But I can access it from anywhere because I can just log in to this website. And it works really well. And the company have these add-ons, which are essentially plugins to the main accounting package. Accounting is free, but then these add-ons are paid. And it's all really nice and it integrates nicely with my website. But there's one thing that isn't so nice, and that's kind of the point of this video. And the thing that isn't nice is their customer service. At least in my experience, it's been rubbish. So I'm just going through their add-ons, their apps as they call them, and the one I have a problem with is PayPal Sync. Okay, so I bought this add-on last year, and the reason I bought it was because of this. All you have to do is set it up once and it will grab all of the new payments you receive via PayPal automatically, and that is exactly what I want it to do. Every time I make a sale and it goes through PayPal, I want those payments to be added to my accounts. So I've made some sales, so I go into my income. Now if I go into revenues, which is where I'd expect to see the sales, there are actually no sales in here whatsoever. If I go into invoices though, so my web shop runs on WooCommerce, and I also have the WooCommerce add-on, which was in here somewhere. So there's a WooCommerce add-on. So all these ones that say Woo, these are all my WooCommerce invoices. And if I go through, there's nothing from PayPal, which is weird because all my sales through WooCommerce go through PayPal, but I don't want to have two copies of it, so it makes sense that it only shows one. But then if I go to the end here, these last few pages, we can see all these ones that say INV. These are PayPal invoices, and they're completely out of sequence because there's a 2019 one there and a 2018 one there. And even if I sort them by date, they'll still be out of sequence. So now I've sorted them by date, but it still doesn't actually sort them by date because it still sticks all the PayPal invoices at the end for some reason. So the problem is that it says in their description, it will grab all of the new payments you receive, but it doesn't. It only grabs the invoices that I generate, and those are generated manually, whereas I receive payments automatically. So it doesn't really help, and it doesn't do what it says it's going to do. I opened a support ticket with them back in August, and as you can see from the status over here, it is closed, and I didn't close it. So I asked them for some assistance with this PayPal issue, and they asked me to send an image of my settings. So I did that. So there it is, it's attached there. Said, can you please send us a screenshot? I sent the screenshot. And that was on the 19th of August. And then by the 30th, I said, is there any progress with this? And then I didn't hear anything for ages. And then I logged back on and just noticed they closed the ticket. And I thought, that's weird. So I opened a new ticket. So I opened a new ticket, 19th of October. And this one's still open. And I said, hi, I noticed my ticket being closed, but this issue hasn't been resolved. 19th of October. Nothing. 15th of October, I said, hello, is anyone there? And then you'll notice on the 20th I got a response. That's because, as well as their ticket system, they also have, when it loads, they have a forum. So I went on the forum and I put a message there saying, look, you've closed my ticket, but you didn't resolve the issue, and I've opened a new ticket and you haven't responded. So then they gave me a response. Said, sorry, we're busy. Have you tried this? So I said, thanks for getting back to me. And then I asked them for some more information, and I heard nothing. And then the 28th of November, still nothing. 6th of December, still nothing. 6th of January, still nothing. Now, in between these two, I actually posted on the forum again, and I said, why have you still not responded to my support ticket? And they just deleted my post. It was in this thread, the ticket system. They also deleted my previous post as well when I asked about about them closing the other support ticket. But yeah, I added a post in here to say you haven't responded to my support ticket, and they just deleted the post and they still haven't responded. So this video is made in response to their poor customer service, but it's not a complaint against their software. I like their software. It's just this thing doesn't work as it's meant to, or at least not as it's advertised, and their support is completely unresponsive to me. So sorry for the slightly ranty video, but you should check out Akaunting. It's like I said, it's good software, and it's really nice to have self-hosted accounting software. You can access it from anywhere as long as you've got a web browser, and it works. It's good software. So check out the software, but beware of their sketchy support. Alright, that's all I've got for you. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.